As general elections approach, the NDA is looking to consolidate further in order to fulfill its mission 400 Par. While talks are on with both the prominent parties in Andhra Pradesh, just days after Chandrababu Naidu met BJP top brass, today it was the turn of Jagan Mohan Reddy to pay a visit to Prime Minister. While not much is known officially about the progress of talks with these two Telugu heartland parties, the latest deal that has been sealed is with the party from Jatland, the RLD.
पाने की अब भाजपा के साथ हाथ मिलाने के लिए तैयार हो गए। आप भाजपा के साथ हाथ मिला रहे हैं।
देखिए कोई कसर रहती है। आज मैं किस मुंह से इनकार करूंगा आपके सवाल।
After the announcement of Bharat Ratna to former Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh, Rashtriya Lok Dal President Jayant Chaudhary said that the centre had won his heart with the announcement. Jayant Chaudhary, remember, is the grandson of Charan Singh. Speaking to media, he said that now there is no reason left for him to say no to NDA.
देखिए आज कोई शर्त और सीट और चुनाव की बात करना आज के दिन के महत्व को छोटा करना होगा। जब मैं इतनी बड़ी बधाई दे रहा हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज वो फैसला लिया जो साबित करता है कि देश के मूल भावना और चरित्र को समझते हैं।
Sources have told Times Now that RLD is likely to be offered 2 seats in the 2024 polls, which could be Bagpat and Bijnor. Apart from this, RLD may also get 1 Rajya Sabha seat. The breakup comes days after Samajwadi Party announced 7 seats for RLD and was busy playing hardball with the Congress. Now with RLD giving it the short shrift, SP is left looking for answers. On record, Akhilesh Yadav says he is not aware.
सर जैन जी से कोई बात नहीं है।
इधर बात नहीं हुई है और जो बातें हो रही है वो सब अखबारों में छप रही हैं, तो आप ही के माध्यम से हम लोग जानकारी पा रहे हैं।
देखिए मैंने बार बार कहा है कि उत्तर प्रदेश की सभी 80 सीटें भारतीय जनता पार्टी गठबंधन जीत रहा है। पूरे प्रदेश में मोदी लहर है, भाजपा की लहर है, कमल की लहर है। विपक्षी गठबंधन बना करके लड़े चाहे अलग अलग लड़े, कमल ही खिलेगा। देश की राजनीति इस समय माननीय मोदी जी के फिर से प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए मुड़ चुकी है।
On the other hand, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy also met Prime Minister today and reiterated his demand for special status for his state. Reddy, who swept the 2019 state polls riding on the special status issue, has held several meetings with the Prime Minister and Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the issue in the past as well. But the timing of this meeting after TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu's Delhi sprint and before Lok Sabha polls is what has set the tongues wagging. TDP Chief has met Shah and BJP President for talks on possible tie-up with the Saffron Party in Andhra Pradesh for the Lok Sabha as well as Assembly polls that are likely to be held simultaneously in the state. 3 days before the visit to Delhi, here is what Jagan said in the State Assembly that may have betrayed his intent.
కనీసం ప్రత్యేక హోదా అన్న అంశం అన్న కనీసం చట్టంలో అన్న కనీసం రాసిందంటే కనీసం చట్టంలో అన్న కనీసం పెట్టుంటే రాష్ట్రాన్ని విడగొట్టేటప్పుడు కనీసం మనం కోర్టుకు పోయినా కానీ కనీసం తెచ్చుకునే అవకాశం ఉంది. నిజంగా ఒక్కోసారి బాధ అనిపిస్తుంది. కేంద్రంలో ఉన్న ఏ ప్రభుత్వం వచ్చినా కూడా వాళ్ళకు అబ్సల్యూట్ నెంబర్లు రాకూడదు అని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కూడా కోరుకుంటా ఉన్నాం. కనీసం మన సపోర్ట్ అన్న డిపెండ్ అయ్యే ప్రభుత్వం వచ్చింది అని అంటే కనీసం ప్రత్యేక హోదా అన్న ఇస్తారేమో అని ఆశ.
Now, as the NDA, in fact, is all set to grow in size, INDI alliance is struggling to keep its flock together. Congress leader and former Maharashtra Minister Baba Siddiqui resigned from the party and will be joining the Ajit Pawar-led NCP tomorrow. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party has announced candidates for 3 constituencies in the state of Assam, even as there is no decision yet on the seat-sharing arrangement within the alliance for the state. The party has named candidates for Dibrugarh, Guwahati and Sonitpur and has accused their allies of delaying seat-sharing talks to such an extent where it was not possible for AAP to wait anymore. Let's go across to our guests. We are joined by Rohit Chahal, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We have Rohit Agarwal with us, spokesperson of the RLD, Rohan Mitra, political analyst, and Kapish Srivastav, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party is joining us. Good evening to all of you. Rohit Agarwal, I want to come to you first. So now in that press conference, Jayant Chaudhary has made it clear when he answered that question on joining hands with the BJP saying, अब क्या कसर रह गई है, अब मैं कैसे ना कह सकता हूं, कैसे इनकार करूं? सो इज इट कंफर्म नाउ द डील इज सील्ड?
We welcome the award announced to Chaudhry Charan Singh Ji, Bharat Ratna. Chaudhry Charan Singh Ji has done lot of work for the farmers. Chaudhry Charan Singh जी के करोड़ों अनुयायियों का आज ये सम्मान है. Chaudhry Charan
Okay,
Singh
Union
जी
Minister Nitin Gadkari in fact has arrived for the ET Global Business Summit. Let's cut line.